Today we're having our first ever course for the TAG Oral Care Center for Excellence. Bringing the Oral Care Center to fruition has taken so many different people, so many different departments throughout all of Aspen and TAG.
We've been educating and developing the world-class experience for doctors, and the culmination of that is creating an opportunity for doctors to grow their skills and really learn the nuances of being able to deliver that care in a real setting.
I am really looking forward to getting my hands dirty. When I see the building itself, it just represents exactly what Aspen has. We have the most up-to-date modern technology to provide our patients the quality of care that is expected.
I'm excited to just place implants on actual patients and really get that experience and get my feet wet. I'm really hoping to be able to really get a good foundation and confidence in placing those implants so I can treat my patients in my office.
I'm really looking forward to the hands-on experience. It's an opportunity that not everyone gets, and to have a network of all of these doctors and these resources is just something that you have to jump on and take advantage of. Just having that support there for me when I need it on hand is amazing. You don't always get that, and just to know that I'm in a room full of clinicians with that kind of experience is really special.
The fact that I can get hands-on critique on my clinical performance during procedure after procedure, that is what I'm looking forward to most. To accomplish this level of care is hard to get to.
When you see somebody's professional career forever changed for the better, to be able to change how they deliver care to the patients, it's amazing. It's really humbling. There's nothing like this in dentistry, and I'm so proud of each and every team member that helped make this a reality.
It was remarkable. Honestly, having the faculty support behind me as I was helping and doing something completely new for the first time, it was an amazing experience and one that I won't forget.